What if I told you that you could seriously transform your body, build real muscle, and get stronger in just 1 month, all without any equipment? No gym, no weights, just pure bodyweight power. Today, I'm sharing 3 of the most effective bodyweight exercises you need to build a powerful physique from home. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last exercise. It's an absolute game changer that most people don't even know exists. The last exercise on the list is an absolute game changer, and I bet that you don't even know it exists. But more on that coming up. Now that we've got your back, literally, please watch the video till the end without skipping. Let's get right into it. Number 1, push-ups. First up is the king of upper body moves, the mighty push-up. This isn't just a chest exercise. When you do it right, the push-up is a full-body symphony. It works your chest, triceps, front shoulders, core, and even your glutes as you maintain a straight line from head to heels. The real magic of the push-up is something called time under tension. By controlling both the lowering and pushing phases, your muscles are forced to work over time. If you want to build a bigger chest, stronger triceps, or an iron core, the push-up is your answer. To execute the push-up correctly, start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line, no sagging hips or worming. Lower yourself slowly until your chest is just above the ground. Then, press back up with power without locking your elbows at the top. Do this circuit 3 times, 12 to 20 reps 4 days a week, with short rests in between. If you're a beginner, just drop to your knees to make it easier. To increase the difficulty, slow down your tempo. Number 2, the squat. Okay, your upper body is working, but what about your legs? Squats are the king of lower body movements, and you don't need a barbell to benefit. Bodyweight squats build serious strength in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. But it's not just about strength. Squats also improve your mobility, joint health, and even your natural hormone production, which is crucial for building muscle. Done with proper form and depth, squats can give you those powerful athletic legs that look good and actually work. To execute the squat correctly, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up. Sit back as if you're lowering yourself into a chair. Get your thighs parallel to the floor, or even deeper if your mobility allows. Then, push through your heels to return to the starting position. Make sure your knees track over your toes and don't cave in. Do this circuit 3 times, 20 to 30 reps 4 days a week, with short rests in between. Number 3, the mountain climbers. Finally, for that game-changing move I promised. The mountain climbers. This genius exercise that will send your heart rate soaring and incinerate calories. Mountain climbers are a full-body shredder. You're holding a plank, so your shoulders, chest, and triceps are working to stabilize. Your abs are constantly contracted, and your legs are moving fast, driving your knees towards your chest. This move combines core engagement, upper body tension, and lower body speed into a single highly effective exercise. After just 30 seconds of this, you'll feel the burn from your shoulders to your toes. To execute the mountain climbers correctly, start in a high plank position with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs. Keep your hips low and your abs tight, avoiding any bouncing. Do this circuit 3 times, 30 seconds 4 days a week, with short rests in between. If you do these 3 exercises continuously, within a month you'll notice real progress in strength, muscle tone, and endurance, all without touching a single piece of gym equipment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that inspires you to live your best life.